Let's see how to set your Word document to read only and set it with or without a password. So first off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see here, we have our document ready. So in order to protect this document and make it read only, let's go over to the Review tab right here. And right here at the far right, we can see the option to restrict editing. So let's go ahead and click that, and that should open up this window on the right. So to set it as read only, click this number 2, editing restrictions, click the checkbox, and you have the option to make it read only. And then you can start enforcing this protection. You can also add a password or no need to add a password. And that is how you set your document to read only in Microsoft Word. See you soon.